Alright, hi guys. So what we're gonna be doing today, we are unboxing an X6 model handheld vacuum for Taroma. So let's get to it. Right. Oh, comes with something here. Okay, so it's like a suede material to protect your vacuum after usage. I guess that's where you put it in. Oh yes. Comes with a manual. Well, texture feels nice. As you can see, it's very portable. So that's when you want to empty your invisible dust box. So this is your filter. This is your HEPA filter. This is your primary filter. This is your dust box. So as you can see, there are 3 holes here. So when it's on, it shows 3 lights here to show that the battery is full. So these lights are actually a battery indicator, a battery percentage indicator. So as you can see, it also uses a Type-C charger. This is a Type-C charger to charge. So it's a clip on and off. Okay. So now we're gonna test it. So it actually acts as a blower. Well, it's quite strong. It's quite strong. So it actually acts as a blower below and as a vacuum suctioner actually here above it. So what we're gonna do now is actually check all the extras, and then we're gonna put it to the test. So as you can see, adjustable brush. So this is the way it goes in. You can adjust it, as you can see. Alright, so it comes with your Type-C charging cable. So these are your blowing extras. So in case you wanna maybe inflate the balloon or something, put this in here, put that in there, open the bottom of your vacuum and slide this one in, and then you can inflate, as you can see. So you can change them according to how you want. You can just put that back after using. And this one is just your external nozzle. And there you have it. This is what's in your box. So what we're gonna do now is to put this to the test. So we're just gonna put some dust here and vacuum it up. And alright, as we did say, we're gonna put it to the test. As soon as you can see, it's all dust here. So as you can see, all the dust and the fur is all in there. So it's easy to clean it up. Just pop up your filter there. And there you are. Make sure you dust it all out. Before you put it away, make sure you empty the dust box. And there you have it, Taroma Model X6 handheld vacuum. Thank you.